Done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no.
Hello Sherry, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinky. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, and if you're not, hey girl, welcome. Thank you for coming back. As you can see by the title, today's video is a crochet hairstyle tutorial. This is how the hair came out. I am so in love. You could not tell me this is not my hair. I do want to tell you guys I have washed this hair, so this is day 2 of me having this hair in, and so far I love it. As a girl who has thin hair, I definitely want my hair to be like this, even though it can't. I've tried everything and it can't, so this is just beautiful. It feels good. You wash it like your normal hair. It's really good. I also cut my hair not too long ago, about 9 months ago, and my hair is just not long enough to achieve this, so this just adds some volume, some thickness. So if you're looking for something like that, then this is the right video for you. I will make sure I try to answer every question down below as I can, and as always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Enjoy. First thing you want to do with this hair is just braid your hair back. I have 14 braids going in the back, 7 on each side. My hair is old, but I do prefer it. I thought it worked better that way. The hair we're using today is from Eayonhair. This is their Afro Kinky 26-inch human braiding hair. Okay, this is bulk. They have a lot of different textures. You can use it for boho braids, boho locks. I have used their hair below. I'll link a video for their hair that I use down below, but I went ahead and cut off those straight pieces that I used to tie, so we can just have the kinky parts. Once I did that, this is how the hair looked, and I'm just separating it for you guys so you guys can see. As you can see, this is kinky, baby. It's kinky. Okay, once you go there, you're gonna grab a piece, and I'm just showing you guys, and then grab it, and then you're just gonna go ahead and slide the crochet hook into the braid, close the hook, and then pull it through. Then you're gonna get all the hair and put it in that hole, twist it twice to secure the crochet, and that's it. Literally simple as that. This is gonna be this. You can do this, and if you can't braid, just have somebody else braid your hair. It's literally straight to the point. Now I'm showing you guys. You're gonna go grab that hair again, pass that crochet hook, put your hair in there, close the hook, hold the hair, and then go ahead and twist to secure that twist. I just went ahead and did that for all around the hair. I did not do any special method, any tweaking or anything like that. I did that for all my head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and show you guys how to blend the leave out. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about, guys. My hair is very, very thin. Like you can see my hairline, it's very thin, y'all. So I'm trying to take a break from wearing too many wigs and just let my hairline breathe so I can grow my hair back. But as you can see, the hair looks really, really good. I was feeling it, y'all. Look, that was before I cut it or washed it or anything, did anything to it. I went ahead and put some water in it to try and define those curls, and also to bring the volume down just a little bit. I will say I was very surprised with how this hair felt. Honestly, it feels like my hair, if not better. I will say if you're washing this hair, I really emphasize you wash it like your regular hair. Like, it's so easy once you do that to manage it. And then I just put a little bit of leave-in conditioner as well. What I'm applying here right now is just some mousse, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just start cutting the hair just to get it in the shape that I want, because if you know with curly hair, the cut really makes the hair pop. So here I am trying to cut it just to give it some shape so it does not look a mess. I will say once I washed it, I feel like it held up a little bit better. I love it. I am in love, y'all. I've been telling everybody this is my hair. It looks so good.
I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem.
Here's me just trying to see if I could get any final touches, any final cuts I can cut. I did go ahead and cut it a little bit more off camera, but here we are, just cutting and cutting and cutting. Cut it to your desired shape, desired length. There you go. I was feeling it. Can you tell? I'm so in love. You can't clock me. I love that I left a leave out, y'all. And once I washed it, everything blended together. Right here, my hair just needs some water, y'all. And here's me. That's a trick if you want your leave out to not be clockable. Try to push the front crochet pieces in the front so it looks like that. There you go. You can wear it in a bang situation. If you have it in a bang, you don't need to leave a leave out. I just want to tell y'all, my hair is never thick enough to do this. It does not matter what I do to it, but this just gives me that look that I want. Like, I just feel like a beautiful black queen. Like, I don't know, it's giving me goddess vibes. I really, really love this hair. It's very thick and it feels so good. This is just 2 packs. If you don't want your hair this big, you could go with 1 pack or 1.5. But I love big hair. Big hair loves me. So, but yeah. Look how beautiful. And this texture. You cannot tell me this hair is not growing out of my scalp. Hello. Hello. Now, if your hair can naturally do this, then good for you. But mine can't. I have very thin hair. It doesn't matter how long my hair is, it's just very thin. So this is an alternative you can also do if you have thin hair. Just if you want some volume, or if your hair is long and your fro cannot sit like this anymore, you can do this, you know, to remind yourself of that fro if you don't want to cut your hair. You know, if your hair is relaxed, you know, just obviously you won't leave a leave out, just braid it all down. If you're gonna be wearing it in a bang like this, you really just, you don't even need the leave out. But as for me, I am going to be wearing it in different styles, hence why I did do a leave out. Alright, my love, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I touched on every little question you had, and I hope this was clear enough for you to do it yourself or tell somebody else to do it for you. The hair was very easy to use, and like I said, I've had it in for 2 days already, and so far I have no complaints. I've gotten so many compliments about my hair, and when I tell you nobody could clock me, nobody could clock me. So this hair is really nice. I mean, hello. It's really nice, y'all. It's really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, Chevy.